Losing access to your Instagram account because you're not getting that crucial verification code can be incredibly frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, let's double-check the most common culprit to your registered phone number. Go to your Instagram profile, tap on Edit Profile, then scroll down to Personal Information Settings. Here, verify that the phone number listed is absolutely correct and free of any typos. If it's wrong, update it immediately. Next, let's investigate your text message inbox. Sometimes, verification codes can mistakenly land in your spam or junk folder. Open your messaging app and thoroughly check these folders. If you find the code there, mark it as not spam to prevent this from happening again. A weak or unstable internet connection can also prevent codes from arriving. Ensure your Wi-Fi is strong, or if you're using cellular data, make sure you have a good signal. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that makes a difference. Sometimes, simply toggling airplane mode on and off can reset your network connection and help. If you've recently changed your phone number, it's vital that you've updated it within your Instagram account settings. As we covered in the first step, an outdated number will mean codes go to the wrong place. Still no luck? Let's try a quick app refresh. Close the Instagram app completely, ensuring it's not running in the background, and then reopen it. This simple action can often resolve minor glitches. If you're still not receiving the code, use the Resend code option on the Instagram login screen. Give it a minute or two before requesting it again to avoid overwhelming the system. As a last resort, if none of these steps work, you might need to explore Instagram's account recovery options directly through the app. Look for the Forgot Password or Get Help Logging In link on the login screen, which will guide you through alternative methods to regain access to your account securely.